in the beginning lots of people make mistake while sketching is that they draw with normal pencils and assume that it will work and end up doing sketches like outline kind of sketches and get disappointed. So I am here to guide you on pencil grades which are needed for sketching. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, that is SC Arts. In this video we are going to learn about pencil grades and its usage. So before starting this video, if you are new to this channel, do like and subscribe to this channel to get notified every time we upload a new video. So let's get started. So we have with us like HB, 2B, 4B, 6B, 8B kind of pencils for drawing. So let's get started. So let's see. HB pencil is a well balanced pencil which is not too hard and not too soft. It is generally used for writing and taking notes, for sketching like lightly sketching and making outlines, for rough work. Next one is 2B. 2B is little bit softer than HB and little bit darker than HB. So we can use it for like drawing eyes and eyebrows. Next one is 4B. 4B is little bit softer than 2B and it is darker than 2B. So it is used for mid-tone shadings as well as to add depth in the portrait. Darker than 2B, so we can use it for like hairs, mustache and beards. And 6B. 6B is more softer than 4B and darker than 4B. So it is used generally for adding like deep shadows and eye contrast areas like charcoal. Next one is 8B. 8B pencil is used mostly for bold fine lines. After finishing the work, we can use 8B pencil to finalize the final touches for intensive shadows and darker fillings. So that's it for the video guys. Hope you have learned something new in this video. In case if you are new to this channel, do like and do subscribe to this channel to get notified every time we upload a new video. For more videos you can go through our channel. There are lots of videos I have made for drawing. So that's it for the video guys. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning. Take care, bye bye.